Hello friends, welcome to your channel. This is the part 5 of Counter app. The last video link is on top right I button. Query.l snapshot listener. This really listen for the changes in the real time. For example, when we like or dislike a particular coffee and when we update in the Firebase Firestore database, it really automatically refreshes the recycler view. This is not a good user experience. We will comment this query for now and also query.l snapshot listener. This code we will comment now. We will go to the Firebase Firestore documentation. Under the heading Get Multiple Documents from a Collection, we will copy this code. I will give the link of the documentation in the description. In our activity on create method, we will paste the code. Then we will change the collection name to like counter. We do not need the filter where equal to, so we will remove it. We will also remove the log. Inside else condition, the tag we will hardcode main activity. Inside for loop, counter model assign document dot to object and then parameter counter model dot class. Counter model set document id, document dot get id, then counter list add counter model. Below for loop, adapter assign new counter adapter in the parameter counter list. Then recycler view set adapter in the parameter we need to pass adapter. Above the for loop, counter list dot clear. Because on clicking like or dislike in a recycler view in a particular entry, we also need to update the counter list. We also need to call adapter dataset change on a particular index. For that purpose, we will be required an interface. Interface name we have given as update adapter. Interface method update row with two parameters, counter model and index or position of the recycler view we are updating. Main activity class need to implement interface update adapter. We have implemented the interface method update row. We will call update row method from adapters update in Firestore method when user will like or dislike a particular copy, where we will pass the updated counter model and the index. Inside the update row method in counter list in a particular index, we will set the updated counter model and then we will call adapter.notify item since, and in the parameter we will pass the index where the item is since. We need to place the interface outside the activity. By mistake, I have written the interface in the activity. In top, we will declare interface update adapter. Inside onCreate method update interface assign this in the method update in Firestore. Above map in the model we are setting the likes. Then at the end of the method we are calling update row method of update interface. Here first parameter is the model that we have updated and second parameter is the index or position, but we do not have index inside update in Firestore method. So in the bind method we need another parameter index that we will pass from counter adapters on bind viewHolder method. In viewHolder class on top we will declare another variable mindex type int. Inside bind method mindex assign index. Now mindex variable we are passing while calling update row method. From counter adapters on bind viewHolder method we are passing the index or position in bind method. We are renaming variable name mindex to mposition, accordingly changing the variable name in other places. So our development is complete now. I will run it in my real mobile device using the USB cable. If I like a particular coffee, the counter will increase by 1, and if I click it again, it will decrease by 1. Same APK if you install in multiple users mobile, on liking number of likes will increase. Thank you for watching this video. To keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.